Alrighty, good morning, Elevation students. Welcome to week 3 in quarter 2. As you go into your module for week 3, please make sure you always start here, which is our pacing guide. So you have an overview as well as a link to all the lessons and how you should spread them out over the week. So today is November 3rd. It is election day. I look forward to seeing you in class at 11 a.m. or 12:30, whichever section you're in. The first thing we're going to do for this week is we're going to take a look at some atomic theory notes. And so when you click on that link, it'll take you to the notes here. And so you'll have an attached set of notes and you'll interact and read with the atomic theory lesson. So your notes are here. It'll force a copy for you as always. This is totally for you, but really important for you to work through this piece of it because your quiz on Monday, that's scheduled for Monday at the end of the week, is going to be an overview of all of this. So you're going to take a look at a number of different scientists that have impacted our understanding of what the atom is composed of, how those subatomic particles, protons, electrons, and neutrons are all spread out in the atom. So we'll take a look at Dalton, and then you'll take a look at various discoveries that we had, different scientists, Rutherford, Bohr, Chadwick, etc. And then you'll go through and look at the Bohr quantum model, and finally take a little bit of a tour of the atom. So please make sure you complete those notes. And then the lesson itself, if you click on this, will take you actually to the Florida Virtual, which is the preset sort of interactive textbook, if you will, and then you can interact with it there. And so there's 7 different pages that you'll go through and interact as you go through this to answer those questions. And you'll have a chance to look at all that piece. All right, as we go back to our module, that is our plan for Tuesday. And then as we go into Wednesday, if we go back into, here is our pacing guide for Wednesday. Give it just a second to load. There we go. And so Wednesday and Thursday are kind of linked together. So we're doing notes back to back. And what we've set up is this is different from something we've ever done before, but you're actually going to turn in your notes for the periodic table. And that's because they're really, really important. And I want to make sure that you're getting them done. And so that will be a 10-point assignment for you. And so if you click on this assignment, and it's actually linked on both the Wednesday and Thursday, so you can click on it either way, you'll go to the periodic table notes, part 1 right here. And it'll probably just take a second to load this. It's coming, it's coming. Give it another try. Here we go. Again, it'll force a copy for you. So you'll have a copy for yourself. This copy, of course, you'll want to upload and then send to me. So you're going to be taking a look at the periodic table. A very important scientist called Mendeleev, who helped us to organize all of our elements into very specific groups and families. And then you've got some videos to watch. And you'll go through and take a look at how we actually organize based on metals, nonmetals, and metalloids, and then have a chance to look at all these different parts of our periodic table and different things about it. Okay. All right. And so you're going to go ahead and upload that. Again, it's a 10-point assignment, and you can complete that either on Wednesday or on Thursday. If we go back to our module and we go back to our pacing guide, give it just a second to load. So basically, Tuesday is a set of notes on atomic theory. Wednesday and Thursday collectively is working on those notes. So you can either do them on Wednesday and just submit them, or Thursday or split it up among those 2 days. Friday and Monday are both quizzes. You'll see that your points this week are coming from your 10 points of taking notes, and then a 14-point quiz and a 21-point quiz. And this one right here on Friday is taking a look at those subatomic particles in more detail. And so what you'll see as you go through here, there's a video that is embedded. You'll watch this video, and as you go through this video, it walks through the particles, and we're going to work on them as well in our virtual class today. And then what you'll do is you'll go ahead and take your quiz. It looks a little bit different for me just because I'm in the teacher mode, but you'll have a chance to fill in those questions as well. All right. And then the last thing you'll have is just a quiz for the end of the week. And that quiz is actually based on everything that you've been doing for the week, but most specifically on the notes that you've taken on Tuesday, Wednesday/Thursday. So that's your atomic theory periodic table quiz. All right, and that's all we've got for this week. There are no apply assignments this week. It didn't really lend itself to an application at this point as we're studying the atom and the periodic table. Next week, we'll have an apply assignment. So again, your points this week are 10, 14, and 21, coming from all of this work with atoms and the periodic table. And that's it.